How to share YouTube video on Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Then tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on pages. Then open up the page. Now simply tap on switch. Now go back to the home screen and open up YouTube on a device. Then play the video. Now open up the video. Then tap on share. Now tap on Facebook newsfeed. Now wait for some time. Now add the caption and tap on next at the top right corner. Now tap on post and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.